I was happy to find it, and that is a power blaster. And I was excited to find this because my deck needs to be blasted desperately. So I'm going to be pulling this out and putting it to good use really, really quickly. And they still have these. I believe they are $12.99, I think. I apologize that I don't know the price, but they're a lot cheaper than what you would find them at a Lowe's or Home Depot. But it fits right on your water hose, and it turns any regular water hose into a power blaster. So I picked that up. The next item that I picked up was this 360 extender duster, and I definitely needed this. It has the extendable base on here, the handle. I needed this to be able to clean my ceiling fans, and also like around the crown molding. So excited to have this. Can always use an extra duster. And the good thing about it is this one is 360, so it turns so that you can get into corners and things like that, which is nice. So that was another good find. And then this I also have not yet used, but I hope that it works because I am being run off my deck because of wasp. So this is a yellow jacket wasp hornet trap. It is by Raid, and you are supposed to mix this with some water and hang it outside, and it's supposed to get rid of the wasp. So I will be putting this out like ASAP to see if that works. So those are my items. Aldi's here changes their sale items every Wednesday. So as I am leaving the store every week, I pull this paper out so that I can plan what they're going to have for next week. And some of the good things that I saw in here for next week is this insect zapper right here. That is $4.99. I'm gonna have my eyes out for that one. If anybody needs a pineapple core, these things work really, really well. I already have one, but this works so well with slicing your pineapples. And they also have this little fire bowl that's really nice also, that is going to be $49.99. They also have a grill there if anybody needs a grill for $89.99. So not a lot for next week. They've got a lot of pool toys that they're gonna have. So if you have kids or grandkids and you're looking for stuff like that, you might wanna put Aldi on your list for next week. And they are also having some things for Father's Day. So this is the sale that begins on June 10th. So that's all I have today. I don't have anything else. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe, and I hope that you stop back by next time to see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Have a great day. Bye.